Hi guys, we're here in the car and we're just waiting for mom so that we know what bus we're gonna use. And Leon here, he take us here in Dao terminal and also with my sister. Hi. And after maybe how many minutes we're going to Manila already, and Manila to Bicol also. So I will take video later in Manila. So bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye. Love you. So we're here in Dao Terminal already.
Ba, ma'am?
We're here in Dao Terminal and we're Ay, na. Bakit ito yan? Ito na lang, tabkay na lang. Demo na lang. Thank you.
Tingnan mo, parang pagkain namin.
So we're going inside the bus. We're here in Manila already. We're here already in Manila. And so many people. Oh, saan? Sa ano kami? Sa Pampanga pa kami.
Pampanga pa.
Wow. Ha? Oh. Thank you.
Tatay! Hoy, sandaan lang yan sa akin. Sandaan mo kayo sa lakad ko. Sa akin, sandaan lang. Ano, sandaan lang mo?
So many people here in 5-star bus station.
Kasama na. Tatay. Yan nyo na. Tatay na yan. Yan nyo na. Malayo yun, bala kayo. Tricycle lang kayo. Ay, tama sila. Yung sasakyan nila. Try na kang tayo, grab. Hey, sandala nga lang sa akin eh. Kasi na kayo,
So we're walking right now here in you walk tayo Bonifacio. Walk ka na daw, walk. Say hi, siya.
Bumabitaw yung may nagano pa ma. Tara, walk tayo. Ayun na si mama. Oh. Tara, sakay na tayo sa bus. Surbol.
naman tayo. So, traffic all this year. Siya.
Nakabuhat ka lang ito. Kahit naman. Let's go na, let's go na. So, let's go na lang ikaw. Halika, kargay na lang kita.
Wala, karga ka daw nila, oh. Wala, oh, karga ka daw. Wala, lakad ka na.
Wala, gagat ka na nila mag-book na.
O, bala ka, iwan na yan. Tawang-tawa yung mga ano sa kanyo.
Ang gaan pa naman. Ang gaan kasi.
You can buy clothes, drinks, and we're going to walk again. Walk again. Again. We're here in we just finished Quezon City and we need to go to Raymond. This is Raymond. Oh, we're here already in our destination. And we need to find the bus to go to Bicol. And this baby always crying.
Ay, Papa. Papa.
I need to find them. Where's the relatives? Kaya kuya ay 1, 2, 3. Hindi po alas 2 pa lang naman po yung ano namin.
Ay, gas pa.
Kalabangga, yun yung Kalabangga sa pulo. Baka maulog po yun.
Dito, wala pang unang minuto. Nandito na tayo.
Magkano po yung sinisingil kanina?
Yan, ganda. Ganda. At sinisingil niya.
Kaya? 1, 2, 3.
Wala pa ngayon kayo. Wala yun.
Daming singil eh. Manila, you need go to Raymond Transportation and so hi guys, we're going to inside the bus station. So we use Sirumang and Kalabangga. I just bought some drinks. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Lit naman yan. Malit ba to?
Tubig.
Santo Tomas, Batangas. Uy, Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Naaalala mo ba yung pagtaas ng
Batangas kasi yun pa. Santo Tomas. And you can see the mountain.
Ang init ng kamay.
Guys, we just stop over only here in Cabrera Eatery. It's like Carinderia here. Hi guys, good morning. It's already 4 o'clock. We're here already and arrived here in my province here in Bicol. And we're gonna stay here in my cousin's house or in my uncle's house.
Teka lang kayo naggunting yung eh. Di ba eh?
Ako ngayon, bigla sa nilulunod doon.